Birga qilsak bizni bugun biz Liga o'ynaymiz. Әрине ұтамыз. Ойнайды білмеймін, ұтаматпаймын. Ұту мүмкін. Ё-моё, ты письма. Ты пидос, я вас не вижу.
He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Luis. Oh, well intercepted. Luis with the tackle. Well intercepted. He's got it back inside.
Oğuzların probleması o.
Let's take another look at that.
İşte olan aşağısının anlamasın. Okul bisiklet kalsın.
And he stayed onside.
Fırsat
Balls to trigger. His teammates.
bizim olsa gol kalsın.
So the first goal today, great work from the player there, and he'll be happy to get more as well.
Bir topa kalay yazdığı gerektiğini biliyor. Sonra birini aldım kazanmışım. Benim telefonumdan ne çıkardı.
Luis with the tackle.
Şimdi kancamları
Well read.
kaçırdı
What a
lazım.
well-timed tackle.
Lazım bıraktı gibi.
The
Orada
team's
çıktı.
possession again.
Bırak al. Sıkatmıyor.
Alcázar.
Google'dan o sol değil. Ne? Benim lazım atmam için değil.
Great chance here, and this really takes the pressure off the defence.
Bana işaret o.
Oh, great save.
Biz 0-64 değil çattı. Sonra
Corner taken long. The shot's off. He's got under there to fix it. Let's take another look at that.
Onu bırak yazmamızlar. Biz 0-64 değil. O ötürük o. YouTube'da yazmam. Hayır yazı böyle bırak o da değil. 5-0 değil. Ne diyorum? Sovyet 4 değil. Bak. Şuradan kaytayım.
Low with the tackle. Luis with the tackle. Oh, well timed. And he's back in possession. There's
Oğlum yok.
On the same page, but a different
Normal
age.
bakın.
You right my rights, you right my wrong.
this team have made changes.
Ligan müzik
So we're
açtı.
underway. Let's see what the next
Bugün
45
nefes
minutes
ayaklı.
brings. Looks like they've got a well-timed tackle. Luis. This team look full goals. Shoots.
Yok da sanki tükürmek.
Players then warming up on the touchline, but is it time for a change? Long throw there.
Al.
Oh, determined challenge.
İyi.
By the goalkeeper.
Bakalım. Karanlık. Hoşuna koydum. Ана жаңа қалай тіреді мен түсінбей қалдым. Вардар бар ғой. Не бар? Ой. Ана көрініп кетті. Аяқ жауап кетті. Ой, не айтқан астамыз.
Oh, he has a
Айттым.
into the bottom corner. Decisive.
Акмардың емес, Алкардың.
It's 1-1. He showed a bit was close. And it's off.
Bitti maç mı?
Let's see how close that one was to going in.
Tamam. Tamam. Şimdi açık odayı açık olarak
And he stayed
ortaya
onside.
futbolda iliyor
And
pasından
he hits it. I'll saved it.
biliyor musun biz açıyoruz daha da futbol oynayan da vallahi açık odayı açsam
Oh,
güzel
determined
zaten
challenge.
böyle
Does the goalkeeper to beat now?
gol
Oh, that was
pozisyonu
close. Let's see the replay.
Lewis
Really has been no cards just yet.
Clean aldım sonra ile
Luis. Goalkeeper's ball. Well taken.
Put your
Dizinin çizgiyle kaptı tutmuyor.
Field.
Oh.
Well to win the ball back. What a well-timed tackle. You can't make this defend. They've surely gone and won it now. Good work there to get on the... The manager will hope that form continues. Oh, thoroughly deserved. He just knew that was coming. On the ball back. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. That's nicely played. Really well there. This player's really shown leadership today. Shoots! And it's hard into the bottom corner. Indicated 3 minutes of stoppage time. Good ball. Time tackle. Lar with the tackle. Defender then back on the ball. Oh, well intercepted.
Hey, pas.
Steps up to steal the ball. There's a
Hey,
fantastic. That's his first 3-1. That's definitely the right choice of him. He put in more than 100%. It's well deserved. So, who gets here today?
Жалко, ё-моё. Тут на Льюис'in ardından saldım.
Well. Quality defending there. And that's
Hep berekeli seviyor. Skor çekilmiş
showed a
mi?
bit too much to the opposition there. He shoots. Disappointed with that. Let's see how close that one was to going.
Ya boş. Benim ardarımda kalıyor. Benim ardarımda razı. Kurtayım ben.
And he's won it back for his team. Determined challenge there.
Ya
Safety first.
ardarımda
Back to the
oluyor.
goalkeeper.
Aldığımda video yapıyordu.
Well intercepted.
Patlatmış.
That's great determination.
Patlamıyor. Değil mi? Flat.
What a well-timed tackle.
Aman. Aman.
Pulls the trigger. That's good link-up play.
Her dinlediğimde.
And he's back in possession. Determined challenge there.
Aynı konuda.
Striker's ball.
Let's say.
It's back.
Yoksa. Kalksa yürü tutuyor.
Thrown out by the
Kalksa ne oldu? Kalksa da.
for the tackle.
Çok uzakta oldu. Şimdi geldi.
And this is a world-class finish. And the deadlock's how will the other
Nahir'de
team respond?
ağzımıza bakayım bakarız. Şöyle.
Well cut out. He shoots and the referee
Penalty.
It's a penalty.
Maldis.
Looks like the
O sıra
referee's going to have
bir
words
yana
here,
bakın.
but he's
Halkın
going to
şey
keep his
kıyalı
cards in
o.
his pocket.
Bu
Let's take
tamam. Şey koyayım bakar. Tamam. Ay görünüyor. Canı tikini ona ayağına canı. tikini ona ayağına uydur koyduğunu ya.
what will he do here?
Daha da uydur koyduğunu. Al kalıplar bilmiyorum. Rengi.
He saved it. Great reflexes. And the ref wants to see that great save again.
Tamam. Oraya var. Varıp da su yok. Da yok. Yok.
In towards a penalty spot. Gets her in. Goalkeeper's ball. Well taken. Good ball.
Oynamadık mı?
Defenders back on the ball.
Baktara şu burayı. Baktara şu burayı.
Have the ball again.
Şurayı. Şurayı.
No, good save. And that's well wide. And this really takes the pressure off the defence. They've won it back.
Aman pırma attın adam tanıştı ama. Bizde ne kadar koktandı?
But it made little difference.
Aman kız. Ne? Bu cidinti yürüttü. Başkanı kalmıyor mu? Bugün tekneleri çiğir. Tıkı tıkı tıkı tıkı. Gol gol gol gol gol. Kerim gol.
Score 2-0.
Can
Next
cingol.
goal will prove to be decisive. It's half time and a chance for the Medicals to do their work.
Cındı. Bu adam iyi ağız gidiyor.
It's a second half. Some fresh changes have been made. The second half gets underway with one team 2-0 up. Oh, he steps up to steal the ball. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Great pass across the width of the pitch there, and he's won it back for his team. Not going easy on the opposition today. What a well-timed tackle. The shot's on, so close. Time for some fresh legs maybe. The players are warming.
Gol var.
Nice work there. Luis. Well cut out.
Üzerine de
Shoots. That's
aa
off target. Let's take another look at that effort on goal.
tabii. Pası büyük geldi. Oh, hadi.
Good interception.
Tamam, aldım.
And he hits it. It's saved by the keeper. He showed a bit too much.
Hadi.
To me like a clear-cut penalty. Surely he'll put this one away.
Вот так вот будешь. Все.
Great penalty. We're nil now. Luis with the tackle. Well intercepted. Oh, well.
Time out.
Looks like the opposition is still trying to get back, but he's won it back for his team.
You see what that is. Oh,
Oh, it's a penalty.
қайдағы пенальти қуадым ана дәл қуатқанда жоқ
Let's take another look
не
at that.
қарайға ай қуадым анау қуадым ма қандай қуадым анау Mesela mağan bol penaltı görüyorum ha. Olsun bol penaltı görüyorum ha. Olsun.
Just kill the atmosphere here with a knife.
Trip saydı.
Left the goalkeeper with no chance. So no big surprise he managed to score. Great penalty. Probably a bit too late, but that goal will give him some confidence going into the next game. He's knocked it long. This player's been the best of the team today. Too much to the opposition there. They've won it back. He did really well there. Oh, well timed. Oh, what a stunning goal here as he finds the back of the net with ease.
Con
It's
foto.
becoming a bit, and the fourth official has indicated 2 minutes of stoppage time as well. What a well-timed tackle. The manager will be pleased with his start.
Offside.
Let's see the replay. You can see from the bench that the manager's extremely pleased. There's a full-time whistle. A fantastic spectacle of football here. Yep, no one.
Yol kötü tabii. iPhone. Yo. Damn. Videonun son olarak fazla batacak etkisinde bence katkısını Arkadaşlar benim elimin altında vurduğum söylediğine de benim altında Armani doktoruyum ve elde комментарийге жазып кетиңиздер. Мен сону міндетті түрде окуйсун боламын. Сиздер менен болгон кадактуу болуңуздар.